So listen, folks, can I tell you that elections have consequences? Well, they are having grave consequences in the state of Michigan. Rick Schneider, the Republican in the state of Michigan, because of his decision to turn over prison food services to his buddies at Aramark, not Sodexo. There's a funny story about Aramark. This is Aramark, not Sodexo. Anybody who's watching this who knows me from college, they know the story. And if you don't, I'll tell you it later, but it's great. It's hilarious. But this is a serious story, right? It's one of the largest prison food vendors in the country, Aramark. In July of 2014, they've basically taken over all the food and prison food service in the state of Michigan. And on July 2014, an Aramark employee discovered an inmate who worked in the kitchen throwing the rodent-marred cake into the trash. The Aramark worker instructed the inmate to stop tossing the dessert and start slicing off the parts that have visibly been eaten or pawed at by rats. Yes, indeed, America, it is true. Adding frosting to cover up the cuts, the Aramark employee allegedly ordered him to cut the sides of the cake off and serve it to the prison population. This was unearthed in the Freedom of Information Act request by the liberal group Progressive Michigan. No injuries happened as a result of this incident, but America, seriously though? Really? I mean, I get it. These people are paying their debt to society. But it's just, to me, it's sickening to my stomach that this corporation, in order to cut corners so they can make profits, would feed people food that has been pissed on, eaten on, and pawed at by rats. I mean, at what level do you say to yourself, there's something wrong here? There's something wrong. Something seriously wrong, America. Now, Aramark is a food service vendor conglomerate that has described its prison contracts as a primary driver of company growth in previous years and in correspondence to different shareholders. Fired the worker who ordered the cake to be served the following day, according to email. But the incident might like an isolated screw-up, but it seems to be happening all over the place. More than 100 inmates at another Michigan prison, America. Wait for it. Wait for it. Almost 100 inmates at another prison were quarantined with a severe digestive bug because that was linked, you guessed it, to the food service also provided by Aramark. 1,000 incarcerated women threw their lunch trays out in protest after maggots were found on an Aramark's food service line. So the company has went to their shareholders and said, look at all the money we're making because we are feeding prisoners crap. And in the prisons, all this crap is causing people to get sick. And you know what, America? It's costing the state more money. Here's the thing. Republicans want to make out like they're going to, if we privatize, we'll save. But if we privatize, we'll hurt people. But we don't give a damn. We don't give two flying fucks about people, is what they're saying here. All we care about is our bottom line and making sure that our billionaire buddies get rich. Point blank, period.
Yeah.